My name is Natasha Zudina and I'm a founder of the project Open Window. Welcome to our 30-day challenge, Tip a Day on Treatment of Autism. Today's topic is atypical signs of autism. We talked yesterday about typical signs, and as I already said, autism is a spectrum disorder. So there's some signs that will be present quite strongly and there's some signs that will be quite mildly. But their typical signs might be very mild. However, it could be a whole bunch of the atypical signs in your child that could be quite strong, and that will make for a diagnosis as well. So what are those atypical signs? Well, there are things like that. The child would not like the bright light. It would ask to dim the lights or turn them off, especially in the winter when the days are very short and then you need to turn the lights on, and he would insist on having them off, and you would have those struggles all the time. They don't like the very loud noises, or maybe not so loud noises, or they might not enjoy somebody singing nearby, or some certain songs they would insist and go into the tantrum and meltdown requesting that to be turned off, or somebody to stop singing. There's things like difficulty potty training. We say your child is already 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and you still kind of can get good grip on this idea and still doing that in their pants and using underwear as a diaper, or still wearing the diaper. There's also a sign like actually taking off a diaper and smearing the feces or trying them out. That's gross, but anyway, that's a sign, a typical sign of autism. There's things like kids would actually try something very non-food items, like chalks and dirt and other things that normally you would never even imagine putting in your mouth, where they actually would do that. The signs is where the child would suck on their clothes, or just like take their collar and then keep it in their mouth for a prolonged period of time. The child could be afraid of water. Sometimes they're afraid of the bathtub, and usually it happens like overnight. Yesterday they enjoyed it, and today they're just freaking out and don't want to do anything with it. Sometimes they're okay with the bathtub, but they will be afraid of the big body of water, pool or the ocean and the river and the lake. So those are atypical signs of autism.